Welcome to VIETDUTCH Matply Plywood Production Process. Overview Matply Plywood Production Process. Step 1. Peeling the logs into core veneer.
Firstly, the logs run through this machine to remove branches and barks. The logs after that be moved by a conveyor belt to the peeling machine.
This machine uses cutting knife to make the logs into core veneer. Step 2. Drying core veneer.
In this process including two phases.
Firstly, let the core veneer dry naturally by the sun heat. And secondly, using hot press machine to further dry core veneer. We dry no more than 5 layers per bundle to control the core veneer moisture perfectly. Step 3. Grading core veneer. Core veneer after dry will be divided into different grade according to the quality. Step 4. Glue string the outer core layer together. We will use glue string to connect a grade together, making the outer layer of the core plywood.
Step 5. Glue spreading.
Core veneer will be run through this glue spreading machine. With Matply Plywood, we often E1 glue, quality MR, BWR, and % melamine depend on customer's decision. Our workers ensure the glue to be spreaded evenly. Step 6. Layup. After spreading glue, core veneer will be layering on a conveyor belt to make the core plywood. The highest quality A grade will be on top and bottom, inside will be lower grade A, B. Workers will staple plastic nails to fix the core plywood. At the end of the conveyor belt, cut the core plywood into programmed length. The two widths of plywood are cut during this process.
Step 7. Cold press.
Initial step to make core veneer stick together. Step 8. Repair. Check the misaligned plywood core, fix the core and repair all of split, gaps and delamination. Step 9. Hot press. Using heat and pressure to activate the adhesive, making each layer stick together better. The previous plastic nails will melt down in this step. Step 10. Cutting. Core plywood run through a cutting machine to remove redundant portion.
Since we already cut the width side, now only the length side being cut.
Step 11. Putty.
Putting mixture of stone powder and glue to fill gaps outside of the core. After that, sound check the core by hitting it with hammer to detect inside gaps. If inside gaps are detected, the core will be disqualified and get rid of.
Step 12. Calibration. Use machine to smoothen, remove ripples the face of the core plywood. This is Matply, so don't need to apply face veneer. Step 13. Inspection.
Apart from our inspection, workers also do check each plywood for obvious and big mistakes before bringing them to package.
Step 14. Packaging. We will take it to the packaging area, then workers will use strings and cartoons to package the product. Packaging to protect plywood during transportation. And then plywood are ready to be shipped to our customers.